Today we'll be traveling from Auckland, New Zealand to the Sunshine Coast in Brisbane. It will be our first experience flying with Qantas, and we'll be flying to Brisbane. That's just the way the flights worked out, and then we'll hop on a train to go and see my aunt in the Sunshine Coast.
We just went through the most streamlined check-in process at the airport that we've ever experienced. Check-in usually opens 3 hours before the flight, but we were there earlier and it was already open. We went to the e-gates for Qantas and it was just so easy. Then we went to get coffee while we waited for security to open and hop us for, and that was also pretty easy. So we're now sitting airside waiting for boarding time.
Even though Australia is just like a 3 or 4 hour flight, we have put it off for so long because we didn't want to get visas, but we caved and we did it because we wanted to be with family for Christmas.
We had to go apply for the visa online. The visa cost us 200 Australian and then go do some biometrics.
We just did our biometrics at DFS in the Huawei Centre in Auckland City. How much was it?
$113 for 2 people.
So basically Australia knows everything about us now. We had to look into the CCTV camera for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
They took a photo of our face and took fingerprints. So it was very quick though. It took a whole month for that visa to come through. It is really early in the morning, but Craig did get us some coffees. This is our second coffee. It's from Best Ugly Bagels. I do like that coffee. A lot of the places are still closed or they're busy opening at the moment. What'd you get?
So it is 5:30 in the morning and I'm hungry and I'm craving a sausage McMuffin from McDonald's. So got a little McMuffin, $8, little sausage, cheese, egg, yum.
Where's the sausage?
It's a sausage patty.
Macca's before 6 a.m.
Shh, don't tell anyone.
The airport is absolutely buzzing this morning. It is the 23rd of December, so everyone's going off on their various holidays. We've heard a few South Africans in the lines. They're on their way to Sydney and then from there to Joburg, and they'll land this afternoon at 3.
Yep.
So weird.
Just an awesome vibe. It's festive because it's so close to Christmas.
And the more we travel out of Auckland, the more comfortable we're actually getting with this airport, like we used to in Durban Airport, know every corner. So it's really nice to get to feel comfortable and get to know our new home airport.
So we forgot to tell you how we got here this morning. We used the Super Shuttle service, which was really convenient. They picked us up from our door and it also picked people up on the way, and it only cost us $53. And I did check the Ubers this morning. They were about $50. We just thought Super Shuttle would be way more reliable that early in the morning.
Now we're on a bus to go to the aeroplane, which is where?
No idea. It's on a remote stand.
It's 20 to 7 and finally it's getting light, but it's so overcast today. Hopefully the Sunshine Coast will be sunshining. The last week in Auckland has been a bit rainy and weird weather, so we are ready for sunshine, but I think it's going to be super hot. Are you ready for heat?
I am.
We might as well be on a Jetstar flight.
Yeah.
It's tight.
No, they agree. Yep.
But we have screens.
And it's only a 4-hour flight, so not too bad.
But not that I'll be using it because I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired. They also have chargers, USB
Yeah,
outlets. They have earphones or headphones.
that's it.
That's it.
Tray table.
Give us your attention for the next few minutes and we'll keep you safe on this flight. By lifting the flap.
Just 3 hours later and we're in Australia. Flying into Brisbane is really nice. I knew there were islands off the coast, but I didn't know there were that many islands. It's beautiful. It also looks really hot outside. For SIM cards, we went with Nomad eSIM again. It works so well for us in China. It's so easy to activate. So I'm already connected. And one thing about this flight is there's free Wi-Fi. I sleep most of the time, but I did check and you can actually scroll Instagram or whatever. Makes the flight a lot quicker. This is our 12th country together.
Can you believe it?
Australia. If you're wondering why my family isn't picking us up from the airport, well, they offered. If you've been around this channel, you'll know we get so excited for trains.
Yeah.
So when we heard there was a train from the airport to Sunshine Coast, obviously we were going to do that. So when you arrive in Brisbane Airport, you get a physical arrival card. I'm just saying New Zealand, it's digital. Not that it's a competition. So we'll quickly do that. Arriving in Brisbane was chaotic. There are so many people. We weren't exactly sent to the right queues all the time. So it took a while to get through. We just got outside. It's like 9 in the morning and it's hot.
Hot.
There's no sun, it's overcast, but it's hot. Hot.
We're using the TransLink app to find our way to Sunshine Coast. Let's do it.
We're just following the train signs, which are everywhere. So hopefully that takes us in the right direction. But the TransLink app also has directions. So I can see the city in the distance.
Attention passengers, please be reminded we currently have a track closure in place. The bus is replacing trains.
We bought tickets at the train station at the counter, which was $32 for two. From the airport to Eagle Junction, which isn't very far. There's a lot of track closures, so we're going to have to do a few transfers. But this is our first look at Australia.
This station is Eagle Junction. This is a Shorncliffe train. This train will run express from Eagle Junction to Northgate.
So we don't get off. I feel like the voice doing the announcements is the same voice doing the announcements on the Auckland trains. Don't you think so? What I do like about this cart is the aircon is blasting. It is so nice. I'm getting to cool down. So at the airport we grabbed a quick cool drink just to soothe our throats because that flight was super dry. Our live navigation on the TransLink app says we are outside of the planned routes. That's a great start. So hopefully we start moving back in that direction. What was your first impression arriving in Brisbane?
The airport was a bit chaotic, but it might be because it's 2 days before Christmas. We didn't really know where to stand. We were told to go to the wrong passport queue first. And then once we picked up our bags, it was just queues all over the place. So it was not very organized. But I'm excited to be here.
Us getting up at 2 a.m. helped the situation.
No, because I'm tired. Tired as.
Mind the gap.
So typical airport prices, that was $16 to get just from the airport to the one station. Now going forward, we tap our bank card and it will be 50 cents all the way to the Sunshine Coast, which is an hour on the train. How does that work? It seems like we're not the only ones struggling with figuring this out because there are staff members here, luckily. But there's even Aussies asking them questions of where to go and which train. I think it's the track closures that's probably
It's confusing.
confusing everybody because people are like, should I get on this train? Should I get off? They're like holding the train up. We figured the confusion out. The next two trains are going in the same direction. But this one is stopping earlier, where the next one will be going on further.
All the way to our destination. So
Yeah.
we'll wait for the next one. It's only probably 7.5 minutes away.
This?
Yeah.
We were quite tired at this stage, but we really enjoyed the train ride and seeing the Aussie landscapes for the first time, especially when we got to the Glasshouse Mountains National Park with the unmissable Mount Tibrogargan.
Even though it's 11 in the morning, it feels like 5 or 6 o'clock because it's pretty dark outside with the clouds. We've been up since 2, obviously.
It's going to be a
It's
24-hour
so
day.
weird.
Yeah.
So if we go to bed tonight at 11, that means we would have been awake for 24 hours.
Challenge accepted.
I don't know how much we're actually going to show you in Brisbane because we are there to visit our family.
You mean Sunshine Coast?
Yeah. See, I'm tired. We're just going to enjoy time with family.
Christmas.
And I haven't seen them in
such a long time. They moved over here in 2010. Craig has never even met them. That's the one auntie that has always been missing from family functions since 2010. The youngest sister of my mom's sisters. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our very first video of 2026. Stick around for our next adventure. We'll definitely do some videos in Sydney. So we'll see what we're able to film.
Yeah.
Anyway, bye.
Bye.
If you're interested in what we got up to on the Sunshine Coast, then head over to our YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, where we posted a few mini vlogs and photos over the holiday period.
Let's do it.
Australia,
Ready for the snakes?
Australia.
Bugs, snakes, spiders, crocodiles.
I have been having a few nightmares about snakes and spiders. I have a fear of bugs.
She'll be right.
I think we need more coffee.
I must do that.
When it goes green on our side.
Center, 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 center. Center, 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 panda, center, 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 panda. Ah!